guys, it's James from Gigapress.net. One of the biggest reasons for slow websites is unoptimized images. And when your site is slow, visitors get frustrated, bounce rates go up, and you even get lower search rankings. And by optimizing your images, you'll improve your site's loading times, keep visitors on your site longer, and even boost your SEO. So, in this video, I'll show you how to optimize your images to speed up your WordPress site. First, change the file format. Most WordPress sites use JPEG or PNG for image formats. JPEG works best for photos because it keeps quality high while reducing file size, while PNG offers great quality and supports transparent backgrounds, but the file sizes are usually much larger. So you might consider using WebP for better performance. It supports transparency like PNGs and provides better compression than JPEGs, while maintaining sharp image quality that can speed up your site. Next, resize the image before uploading. Images from your phone or camera can have large dimensions, and uploading them as is can slow your site down. Therefore, you'll want to resize your images before uploading them. The larger the file, the longer it will take to load. To find out what dimensions WordPress uses, go to your dashboard, navigate to Settings, then select Media. Here, you'll see the default sizes for thumbnail, medium, and large images, which you can change. To resize an image, you can use tools like Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Paint, GIMP, or if you use Windows, you can resize your images within the new Microsoft Designer app. After resizing, you can make your images even smaller with compression using a plugin. Compression reduces the image's file size, enabling it to load faster when someone visits your site. It does this by removing data from the image. There are two types of compression: lossless and lossy. With lossless, the difference in image quality and size is minimal, whereas lossy compression can significantly reduce the file size and its quality. You can use a compression plugin like Smush to compress your images in WordPress. This tool will identify images in your media library that need to be compressed. To install this plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then click Add Plugin. Search for Smush, click Install Now, and activate. With the free version, you can compress up to 50 images at once and even automatically optimize new uploads. Using a compression tool may not be as effective as resizing images before you upload them. However, you can use it in conjunction with other methods for optimal results. Another way to optimize how your images load is by using a content delivery network, or CDN. A CDN works by storing copies of your images on servers across different regions around the world. When someone visits your site, the CDN delivers those images from the server closest to them. This means your images load quicker, no matter where your visitors are located. This is especially helpful for sites that get traffic from different countries or regions because it ensures your visitors experience faster loading speeds no matter where they are. The good news is that Gigapress Hosting comes with an integrated CDN, so your images and static files are automatically served through this global network. This not only speeds up your WordPress site, but also helps handle traffic spikes more efficiently while boosting overall performance. If you want to take advantage of this built-in CDN and supercharge your WordPress site speed, check out Gigapress Hosting today at gigapress.net/web-hosting. Additionally, implementing lazy loading is another way to improve your site speed. It loads images only when they appear on the screen, instead of loading everything at once. It doesn't directly optimize your images, but it affects how they're delivered and can lead to better load times. The easiest way to implement lazy loading on your site is to use a plugin like Lazy Load. To install this plugin, navigate to Plugins in the dashboard, then select Add Plugin, type Lazy Load in the search box, click Install Now, and activate. Once activated, go to Settings, then choose Lazy Load. This plugin displays images, frames, and videos on a page only when they are visible to the user. This mechanism reduces the number of HTTP requests and improves the loading time. Finally, enable caching. Like lazy loading, caching doesn't directly affect your images, but it does impact their load times. You're probably already familiar with browser-side caching. It's when portions of a site are stored locally on your device after you visit it. This way, the browser can load static objects like images faster next time you visit the site. You can use a plugin like Lightspeed Cache to implement browser-side caching on your website. Once installed and activated, this will appear on the dashboard menu. Navigate to this plugin, then click on Cache, then here you can set up the cache control settings. You can also use server-side caching. This method creates static HTML pages on your site's server and quickly serves them to your visitors. There are plugins for this type of caching as well, such as WP Rocket. This plugin will start caching your pages automatically upon activation, which can help with your image load times. You can go a step further and set it to cache pages for mobile users too. And that's it! By choosing the right file format, resizing your images before uploading, using a compression plugin, enabling lazy loading, and turning on caching, you can make your WordPress site load much faster. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.